Hi, my name is Mike. I'm a real estate agent, and I wanted to build my brand using video. So I started doing Facebook Lives and monthly market reports. And the only people who were commenting were title reps, mortgage brokers, and then some broker I never even met.
I like
it more.
So one day I logged on to Facebook and I see Pedro, my old frat bro, he bought or sold a $750,000 house without me. He forgot I was in real estate. Like I literally just saw him at Billy's birthday party. I told myself this would never happen again. Real Estate Marketing Dude created a video marketing strategy I'm super excited about. No more boring market reports, no more close friends and family forgetting what I do. All I do now is spend 1 to 3 hours a month creating consistent, standout content. And the dudes handle the rest. They send me the equipment, taught me what to do with it. I shoot videos on my cell phone, then send in the footage. They go ahead and edit it for me, and then they write a blog post so that I could take the whole blog and put my video on my website. Then they'll optimize the video onto YouTube and optimize it for rank. Then they'll write all my social posts for me so I can hit my whole entire database on social media. And then ultimately, they send a video email to my entire database. And I'm saving thousands of dollars each month too. You don't need more leads. You need more dudes. Take the free training and see if it fits your style.